Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 Aerospace Engineering paper question number 50. A cantilever beam of length 2a is loaded at the tip with force F as shown in the figure. The beam is supported in the middle by a roller with a pin. The magnitude of moment reaction at the built-in end of the beam is alpha Fa, where alpha is dash. Round up to 1 decimal place. So this is a given figure. Here force F is applied. Here support is there, and this is your built-in, and this is A, this is A. So here suppose P be the reaction applied by the support, and RA be the reaction at the built-in end, and MA is the reactive moment at the built-in end. So then RA will be equal to F minus P, and MA will be equal to, if we consider clockwise, it will be P into A minus F into P1. Okay. Now we'll use Macaulay's method to find out the this value of MA in terms of F. So according to Macaulay's method, Mx is EI d square by Mx is equal to EI d square by dx square, and Mx is Mx is moment at a distance x. So Mx is F minus P into x plus Ma plus this is A, so this will be your x minus A, so it will be P into x minus A. If we integrate it, then it will be EI dy by dx, and this will be your F minus Px square by 2 plus Max plus Px minus A square by 2 plus P1. If we integrate it again, the method of integration in this method is will take this as a variable, not integrate like that. Px square by 2 plus Px will take it as whole as a variable, so it will be, its integration will be x minus A square by 2. Similarly, again integrating, it will be EI by F minus P will be equal to F minus P x cube by 6 plus Ma x square by 2 plus plus Px minus A cube by 6 plus C1x plus C2. So at this end, at x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, C2 is equal to 0, and at x is equal to 0, dy by dx is 0. At built-in end, both slope and direction are 0. So if we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in this equation, then this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and the term, this term will be negative, because 0 minus 8. So all the negative terms within bracket, if comes out negative will be taken as 0. So this will be 0. So this will be 0, so C2 will be 0. Similarly, if at x equals 0, dy by dx is 0, so this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this will again be 0 because of same reason. Okay, that the term comes out as negative will be taken as 0. So C1 will be 0. So from this we have C1 and C2 0. So equation becomes F EI y is equal to F minus Px cube by 6 plus Ma x square by 2 plus Px minus A cube by 6. So if so at x is equal to A, y is equal to 0. At x is equal to A, y is equal to 0, because at x is equal to A means this point, so this support is provided to make deflection 0. At x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So this is 0, and this is F minus P A cube by 6, and this is Ma A square by 2. So it will be F minus P A by 3 minus Ma is equal to minus Ma, and Ma is this quantity Pa minus F minus A F into A, so it will be minus Ma will be F into A minus Pa. Solving this, we get a relationship between F and P. F is equal to 2 by 5 P, or we can say P is equal to 5 by 2 F. So putting P is equal to 5 by 2 F, Ma will become 5 by 2 Fa minus F into A. So it will be 1 by 2 Fa over alpha Fa, alpha is, because it is equal to alpha, alpha is 0.5. Answer is 0.5.